Are your laptop games looking less than stellar, even though you have a dedicated Nvidia graphics card? The problem often hides in plain sight. Your games might be running on your integrated Intel GPU instead of your powerful Nvidia card. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make your Nvidia GPU your default for gaming. First, make sure you have the Nvidia Control Panel installed. If you do, right-click anywhere on your desktop. You should see the Nvidia Control Panel in the context menu. Click on it to open. Inside the Nvidia Control Panel, on the left-hand side, click on Manage 3D Settings. It's where we tell your system which GPU to use. There are two tabs here. We are going to start with the Global Settings tab. Under Global Settings, find the preferred graphics processor setting from the drop-down menu. Select High Performance Nvidia Processor, then click the Apply button in the bottom right to save these global settings. Next, move to the Program Settings tab. Click Add. A window will appear with a list of your programs. If your game is listed, select it and click Add Selected Program. If not, click Browse. Navigate to the game's executable file, usually found in the game's installation folder. Select it and then click Open. Now, under Select the preferred graphics processor for this program, select High Performance Nvidia Processor from the drop-down menu. To finalize, press the Apply button in the bottom right. And that's it. Now, your game should launch using your Nvidia card, providing better performance and graphics. Enjoy your improved gaming experience, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.